O sabi mo, walang laman ang kalooban mo. Baka dahil marami kang gustong gawin maliban sa pinakamahalaga. Para sa mabuang buhay, tayo na po't magkape at pandasal. Most of us are terrified of missing out, so we try to do everything. We stay lukewarm about a dozen things because we're afraid to commit to one. But there is a different kind of joy in finally finding that pearl of great price. That one passion, one person, or one purpose that makes everything else seem secondary. It's not about losing options. It's about finally finding a direction. Kapag malinaw na ang pinakamahalaga sa iyo, maglalaho ang mga takot mong naiwanan ka ng panahon. The risk of giving your all to one thing is scary, but it's the only way to move past the surface and find something that actually satisfies your soul. Kaya manalangin po tayo. O Panginoong Jesus, tulungan mo kaming mahanap ang pinakamahalaga sa aming buhay upang ituon namin ang aming mga mata doon. Amen.